No.
Man breaks open the wig with all his bare hands and power tools.
Nah, power tools are too big.
That's a power tool.
What, this?
Oh, that.
Yeah, but I'm not using it.
Why did you brought it up here for show? Jesus, it looks like it's made out of like really cheap plastic.
Probably is, but done well so it doesn't look... Wait a second! Is that a disc? I don't know. I don't think so.
There's no discs in there.
Then it's... I don't know why it was broke.
Maybe it isn't broken.
Well, it is now! Shit, man.
This is getting uploaded to my old YouTube channel I had when I was a kid.
Like, a hammer isn't going to really do anything.
It's going to smash it.
Yeah, but I don't really want to make a huge mess. I just want to slightly open it.
Well, you're doing a decent job of that.
What, slightly opening it?
Yeah, it's not that open, is it? Just put it right through it. Oh shit, man.
How's it? Let's hope it's not power lead connected.
Yeah, we should unplug it, right? You were kind of making a mess. It's
yeah,
weird.
I really want to make a mess.
You just did. You are.
Just clean my room.
I'd never do this.
Oh, neither would I. But I'm only doing it because you're here.
We screw each other on to new heights. He plays to his new goals. Oh, you got FB club.
So,
What's the one like? Run, fly. You know what I'm doing, right?
yeah.
Yeah. The only person this video even appeals to is David.
I don't think there's any discs. I don't think there's any discs in it.
How'd you know it didn't work?
Oh, the amount of times we took we took
okay.
it to the shop multiple times. They had no idea what was going on.
Let's hope it's the white one.
Worth it.
How many megabytes?
8 gigabytes.
8 gigabytes? Oh, that's a lot, actually.
Yeah.